Welcome back to another MobileSentrix Monday. Today we're going to be going over a few of the things that you might have missed if you haven't checked out the website recently. So let's get into the video. One of the first things that I want to bring back to your attention is the soft OLEDs for the iPhone 15 Pro Max and the iPhone 13 Pro Max. These are the Exo 7 2.0 with 120 Hz refresh rate. These are IC transfer compatible, and they both have great prices. They also are limited in the amount that you can buy due to the units available. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is limited to 7 pieces per account, and the 13 Pro Max being only 1 unit per account. They are selling like crazy, so definitely take advantage of those every day. The next thing that you might have missed is the new game console parts and accessories. For the PS5, you've got the top faceplates like the Horizon Edition, Diablo 4, and Diablo 2 editions. Also accessories for the Nintendo Switch, wireless controller with Bluetooth double motor vibration, the Sony PS4/PC wireless controller with Bluetooth, the Sony PS4 wireless controller keyboard, the Sony PS4 wireless controller dual charging dock, and the Sony PS5 wireless Bluetooth keyboard, along with the Sony PS5 and Slim multifunction cooling stand that I believe are already out of stock, but not only add additional cooling to the unit, but allow you to have a place to store the controllers and charge them at the same time, along with storing the games that you have in an organized manner. If you want one, definitely request one on the website. And there's also a DualSense controller charging dock for the PS5, Xbox Series X, and the Nintendo Switch. Basically a fancy Type-C charging station that kind of works for everything. So definitely check those out. Also check out the OEM Pole Charging Cables, compatible with your iPhone, iPad, Samsung, and more. These are OEM poles, brand new. They come in both the black and white color, in 50 packs and single packs, ranging in lengths with the 6 foot, the 3 foot, and even some 10 packs. So definitely check those out. And last but not least, something that's really cool is the FixHub Power Series by iFixit, which is a portable smart soldering iron, suitable for basically any repair that you need to do off-site. In the iFixit way, there is a whole soldering toolkit that has one of those really nice black rolls that's all bundled up really nice and tight in the iFixit way. Or you can get just the portable soldering iron station if you already have all of the other equipment. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to demo this in a video. Or if there's anything else that you'd like to see, let me know in the comments below. That wraps up today's video. Thanks a ton for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.